name is Kaylee, and I'm going to be evaluating my group and I's thriller film called A Shot in the Dark. First question: in what ways does your media product use, develop, or challenge forms and conventions of a real media product? Well, first we talked about the conventions in general because we wanted to know them so we could know which ones we were going to use in our film, which we then asked in an analysis of the public, which is in the form of a questionnaire. The first plot twist was the dream sequence where I woke up and it seemed like it was all a dream to the audience, and it's kind of psychological, which we wanted to go for. Cliffhangers was the second convention of a thriller film, and these cliffhangers are basically when I wake up because we have the chase scene, and then I'm running away from Mitch, who is a undercover cop, and we don't know who shot who. So that is a cliffhanger for the audience. But then we distract from that completely and go into a scene where I wake up, and then I see Megan, just a friendly stranger, but with a very creepy smile. And then I see her and Mitch talking across the road, and then they disappear. So it leaves the audience wondering, where did they go? The third plot twist that we used was adrenaline rushing, because it kind of subverted from a typical psychological kind of thriller. We wanted to have a chase scene in it, and we didn't want it too adrenaline rushing because then it'd be more action and crime. And we wanted to go for psychological kind of thriller instead, but we did want a little bit of crime in there. And fast-paced obviously links in with this. And the final convention we used was red herring. And the red herring was when you saw blood on my hand, and this would lead the audience to think that I was the killer. But we don't actually know who the murderer was, and we don't know whether I was innocent. And then you find out that I'm actually the one running scared, so maybe I wasn't, and you don't know. Throughout the whole film, there's a dark colour scheme, and we wanted to stick to that because we thought, me and my group and I, we thought that if I was wearing bright colours and it was sunshiny, it wouldn't give the right atmosphere and effect that we wanted it to have at all. It would not be the same on the audience. So therefore we stuck to the monochrome kind of colours. The clothes we were wearing was black and white pretty much, and greys. We didn't want anything too bright to attract too much attention. And we really tried to stick to that thriller ambiance throughout the whole thing. So question 2 will be answered in my second clip.